Today, Thursday, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas appointed Mustaphi as Prime Minister of the Palestinian government. Mustafa is a leading economist in Palestine who ran big Palestinian companies and recently the Public Palestine Investment Fund. The new Prime Minister faces a massive challenge as the political situation remains tense in the West Bank, in addition to the humanitarian crisis in Gaza, as most of it's now rubble.
Mustafa's appointment comes after the Palestinian government, led by former Prime Minister Mohammed resigned more than 2 weeks ago in light of challenging circumstances amid the developments in the Gaza Strip, the West Bank and Jerusalem. Also, it coincided with mounting pressure on Abbas to reform the Palestinian Authority and initiate the establishment of a political framework capable of governing a future Palestinian state in the aftermath of the Gaza conflict. A Palestinian source, who preferred not to mention his name, said Mustafa would work to form a technocratic government of experts, with one of its tasks being the reconstruction of post-conflict Gaza.